Hey guys, Shadow here, and today I'm going to be teaching you how to make ramen in the microwave. Because, as you know, most ramen only has the stovetop directions. So, what you'll want to do to begin with is grab a bowl. Just a regular bowl, microwave safe. And then take your ramen, I've already opened mine. Just dump it in. Remove the flavoring packet. And then come over, grab your measuring cup, or just any cup in general, and just fill it. This is difficult to do with one hand. And you're going to want to pour the water on top of the ramen until it just barely covers the ramen. Then what you're going to want to do is put your ramen in the microwave. Gotta clean my microwave. And put it in for 2 minutes. And then I'll be back once it's done. Alright, and my microwave has just ended. You can see our ramen in there. And then you're gonna come over, grab a fork, spoon, attack helicopter, whatever you eat your ramen with. And you're just gonna kinda, I recommend pulling it out, but oh, that's hot. Just kind of flop it around, break it up. The sound here is absolutely disgusting, but I know some people like it, so. Oh, and there goes my AC unit. Alright. Then once you're done stirring it and, moving it around, throw it back in your microwave for another minute. And now that our ramen has finished cooking, I'm gonna have to set you guys down. Oh, that's hot. You'll take your flavoring packet, tear it open where it tells you to tear it open, and just add it in. I like to get as much of the flavoring out as I can because sometimes it just tastes weird without it. And then throw away or recycle, and just stir it around. Basically the same thing you did after you cooked it for 2 minutes. Oh, sorry. And I personally like to add a bit of black pepper and garlic. And don't need salt because there's already so much in here. Add a bit more. mix that in. And we set it off to the side to cool down for a minute or two, or if you truly feel like frying your fingers, you can go ahead and take it and eat it. Anyway, this has been Shadow, and I'll see ya.